So I got this pepper soup spice and soya spice from Gapsel Foods, and I have fresh lamb ribs um, right here. As you can see, I kind of already chopped them in little chunks. I don't have like a big one. And for my any lamb meat that I use, I normally love using this herb blend, which I get from Kroger. Normally I love using rosemary's. Anything that is lamb goes amazing, like with rosemary, like putting some rosemary's on there. So I'm gonna be putting some rosemary, I'll be putting some sage, and I will also be putting fresh thyme. But first I will be using this Suya spice. Look at the packaging, amazing, from Gapsel Foods. As you can see it here, I'm gonna show you the bright colors. It's beautiful. I mean, it's just perfect. It smells great. And the perfect thing about this Suya spice is that it does not have peanut. So for those of you who have peanut allergies, this is like amazing, because a lot of the soya barbecue rubs in Nigeria or from Africa tend to have peanut, and obviously we don't want that for those with allergies. My son has peanut allergy, so we hardly cook anything with peanut. So again, no MSG, and just you can see it's clear back, so you can pretty much see what's in there. It's a 350-gram bag. You could pretty much use this like a lot. I even feel like this is probably too much for what I'm gonna do. But so right now I will be applying. Just all you need to do is sprinkle it. You don't really need to do like too much. I'm not adding extra anything. I'm not, because it just comes with everything. So I feel like there's no need to like add extra spices, because you really don't want to overwhelm like your suya with too much salt or spice. This comes with everything, the right amount of chili, and it's just pretty good. So I'm just kind of rubbing it. That's how we should do it. How are you guys doing? Right here. Rubbing that. Right here. Yeah, just kind of massage it. Like, rub it in. I really don't have time to, again, wait for this whole thing to marinate. Ideally, you could marinate it in the fridge for at least maybe a few hours. But I've found that I've actually done a few cooking where I didn't really have to marinate, and with the grilling, it just kind of works. So right now, I will just drop my rosemary on there, just because I just want that extra kick or smell, and I will add my thyme, and not too much, just a little bit. I also have this fresh onions that I'm growing myself, so I'm gonna just put let me see if I can get that. Yeah, so pretty simple. This will go in the oven. I'm gonna bake this for about an hour, 2 hours, and I will show you the final result.